Some investors have unfortunately experienced dissatisfaction due to receiving inaccurate advice or unsatisfactory results, leading to frustration. These situations are typically brought about by unlicensed individuals in the state of Michigan who exploit the trust of investors by masquerading as advisors when in fact they are self-serving opportunists looking to gain personal benefits at the expense of others. Today, as a result of poor maintenance practices, there are countless properties where repair and investment expenses have skyrocketed to unprecedented levels. Our core mission is centered around offering our specialized expertise and unwavering support to individuals who put their trust in the integrity of these purported professionals and chose to invest in Detroit due to its promising potential for growth and development. As a licensed real estate broker in both Michigan and Florida, I have the experience and tools necessary to handle the situation, in addition to having knowledge backed by universities in the field of architecture with a recognized degree. Given all the considerations, how about swapping your Detroit property for a unit in a hotel complex in Orlando? Let me know your thoughts on this potential exchange. Yes, I will guide you hand in hand so you can confidently move forward and leave behind any negative encounters with untrustworthy individuals. Step 1. We will put your property in Detroit up for sale with the intention of getting the best deal. Step 2. Once in the transfer process, we will collaboratively work with the accounting department to strategically determine and optimize the most advantageous tax position for the purchase of the next property. Step 3. In our analysis, we will pinpoint the specific unit within the Orlando hotel complex responsible for generating a significant portion, ranging from 70% to 85% of the total occupancy. In Step 4 of the process, we will initiate the unit purchase. Once payment is made for the unit, you will immediately start earning an annual return of 8% on the invested sum. And many more exclusive details that we will share with you directly via Zoom with the developers. That easy? Get in touch to progress further